Imagine joining a video call only to find out someone is impersonating you. This is possible with deepfake, a real-time face swap tool that uses artificial intelligence to transform faces during live streams. deepfake is an open-source tool available on GitHub. It uses the inswapper AI model to detect and swap faces in real time, requiring just a single photo. The tool refines the swapped faces using GFPGAN, enhancing details and correcting artifacts. While innovative, deepfake poses significant risks. Earlier this year, a finance worker in Hong Kong was scammed out of $25.6 million using deepfake technology. The tool's ability to convincingly mimic others raises concerns about digital identity theft and fraud. To protect against deepfakes, limit personal information shared online and use strong privacy settings. Secure accounts with unique passwords and multi-factor authentication. Stay alert for phishing scams and verify video sources, looking for unnatural signs or artifacts. deepfake offers exciting possibilities for creators and tech enthusiasts, but it also highlights the need for vigilance. As technology advances, staying informed and cautious is crucial to safeguarding against the potential misuse of deepfake tools.